Hi everyone, welcome back to I'm That channel. So today I am going to talk about comparison operators in Python. So starting off with not equal to operator. So not equal to operator checks the two operands which are not equal and gives the condition. So we can see it is true. Moving on to equals to. So pi is equal to 0, that is false. Then next one comes as less than. So is 3 less than 3? It gives us false because 3 is not less than 3. So that we can also see that 3 is less than or equal to 3 gives us a result of true. Moving on to assignment operators. So assignment operators basically helps to assign a value from one variable to the other, which means like we can say we can assign x is equal to 1 and then we can print x to see what is the assignment of x, or we can also add a number to x. That means like if you want to add with the right operand, which is like plus equal is the sign which has been used for adding an operator. Moving on to subtraction operator. So that is like subtract the right operand from the left operand. So that is also going to print. We're going to put as 6 to print 2. We can also use multiplication, whereas it multiplies the right operand with the left operand, assigns the results to the left operand. So likewise, the x is continuously changing, which could be seen in the cell. So after that, there is also divide. We can also use divides left operand with the right operand to assign to the x variable. That's how we can use assignment operators in Python. Then comes the bitwise operators. So bitwise operators is basically the operator which deals with binary representation than the numeric value. So there is and, or, XNOR, not, zero fill, left shift, zero fill, right shift, everything is there. First, when we assign a equals b and b equals a equals 1 and b equals 3, we have assigned the variables a and b, and we can use a bitwise operator to get the output. So you use and as first, so that gives us 1. This copies both the operands to give the result, both the operands bits to give the result. Then moving on to OR operator, which copies a bit if exists in the other operand. So it's going to give you 3. And using XNOR, this copies the bit if it's set in one operand but not in both. Then again not operator is there, which has the effect of flipping the bits, that is the inverse of it. So a not operator, so you can get the inverse of a, which is -2. Then zero fill left shift, a zero fill left shift, it's going to print as the left operand value is moved by the numbers of the bit specified by the right operand. So that is basically the left operator. Logical operators, there are only 3 types of operators, that is and, or not. So when we assign z and m, we have assigned z equals to 3 and m is equal to 4. Using AND operator, we has got false. whereas both the operands are true. If that is so, it will give the output as true, or but in this case it's false. So logical OR, we check using OR operator, whereas it sees whether both the operands are true. Then if the condition becomes true, then it will give as true. So in this case it's true because is not equal true. So one of the operands are true, that is why the output has become true. Moving on to not operator in logical operators, whereas we take the previous uh, AND operator and we inverse it. It gives the output of true. Moving on to membership operators. So membership operators, there are only two types of membership operators, in and not in. So we can assign a variable, or we can assign two variables A and B, and we also create an array which is a list of numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that, we're going to check whether A is there in the array. So using in operator, that is the membership operator, we're going to check whether A is there in the array num, or B is not in array num. So A is there in array num, so it gives the result output as true, whereas if we print B is not, using the membership operator as not in, B not in the array, so it's going to give the result as false because B is there in the array. So this is all about membership operators in Python. That concludes my video today. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Thank you and have a great day.